Hello, today we're going to follow up on the last video where we talked about a generic customer journey map. Today we've made it custom for a costume store in advance of this month's Halloween. So as we mentioned last time, there are several steps along the customer journey, from awareness all the way ending up at follow-up. So we're going to take these steps specifically for a costume store. So the very first step in awareness is that we know that a customer will likely want to buy a costume for Halloween. Imagine you have a costume store or a decoration store in your city, and you're imagining how best to communicate these things with the potential customer. So the customer then would explore options under consideration. They would compare what costumes are fashionably in. They would then buy it, they'd use it, they'd share their experiences and follow up and remember it later on. So what can you do in terms of interactions along this spectrum? You can find out about the desires behind these costumes. You can figure out which costumes are available and which are the most prevalent right now. You can compare prices to what you have to what others might be selling it for. And finally, you can sort of see what the most fitting products would be and what folks are saying on WhatsApp, social media, etc. Right? So the thinking around this is, again, the customers have heard about maybe your store. They wonder if your store will have the right products and the right prices. They might have certain needs, and they have to have something by a certain date, right? We know that for a fact. And then we want to make sure that everything that they hope for turns out to be true, and the fact that they can come back later for other needs is also addressed. So what can you do in terms of opportunities? Number one, creating marketing collateral is low-hanging fruit. Having a shareable guide, displaying reviews, offering custom discounts are all very easy to do. And sending requests for reviews over WhatsApp using our tool makes it very easy to do this. NPS scores, things like that as well. And crucially, you can give them the opportunity to order for the next holiday by providing some sort of coupon code so they come back for Valentine's Day, for Christmas, for New Year's, etc. So this is just a follow-up to the prior video, which had a generic customer journey map, and this one maps it directly to a costume store for Halloween. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful.